Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning market webcast. Okay. Last week was essentially pretty, it was a consolidation week. They made one attempt to the upside. They did 11 half. You had an attempt to the downside. This is all June contract. Did as low as 67 quarter. We're now in the September. They've made a couple moves up to 29.0475, 29.05. They're bringing it back down to 28.95 now. It's still a very news-charged market, and it's a market that's trying to decide whether we're making a higher low here to go ahead and make a higher high, head up towards the 29.50 area, or if we're going to make a lower high and just kind of fade back into the area of at least 28.76 and deal with the 9-day. If not, a move back in towards 28.50 and start taking a look at things like the 50-day and the daily middle band, things of that nature. So it is a very indecisive market right now. On the hourly, you can really see that if we'll just zoom out here. So you had 2 weeks ago where on Monday you had that low down at 27.2875. Spent the rest of the week in through Friday being very directional. Here's the following week. Consolidation. Okay? And the nice part about consolidation is after you have consolidation, you get expansion. So it's setting up for the next move. The key in trading is you have to recognize these times. Now look, we haven't been consolidating in like a 4-point range. So it's not like, we're consolidating, I can't trade this in a phone booth. What am I doing? I just got to wait. It hasn't been like that. I mean, there have been moves. There has not been massive volatility like we saw last month, but volatility comes, volatility goes, the bands expand, the bands contract. It is what it is. So as we come out of this consolidation, there are going to be some fits and starts. The fact that the weekly pivot is sitting there at 28.94 half, as you can see on the chart, that at least I know coming into the open on a Monday exactly what we're going to be fighting over. We're going to fight over that. Okay? I was a little worried an hour ago whether they're going to come back and deal with it this morning, but here they are. We're dealing with it now, and we'll deal with it through the open. So I'm expecting a pretty back and forth open on either side of the weekly pivot. Whichever side converts that weekly pivot, you can extend this market down very easily back to that Thursday low if they can get rolling. Certainly back down to the Friday lows. The bulls want to revisit 29.11 half. 29. I believe it's 29.1575 on the September contract. They want to revisit that area and see if they can make a higher high. If they can, there's a point where you're going to see the weak shorts back off and get squeezed, and you'll get that next leg up, and then you'll see, I think more determined shorts come in and around 29.40, 29.50. So just for this morning, daily pivot is 94.42. Weekly pivot, 94 half. Volume weighted average price is sitting in at 99. You have the hourly mid band at 98. Okay? So 94 to 99 is your chunk of price to fight over. The move is on either side of that. So you want to be long above, short below that area into the open, and then we'll take it from there. It's Monday. Collect handles. Collect handles. Let the weekly pivot make its decision. Then as we get deeper into the week, you'll get the more directional days. All right, everybody have a great day. We'll have some more stuff out on social. Check that out. Come check out the room. Trade them well. I'll see you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.